Alrighty then, we're on number 3. Moving right along. So we're going to right click on this. We're going to go new component. We're going to say problem 3. Alright, and I'm going to start by making a sketch on the front face. I'm going to slide it over. And problem 3 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is an 8 by 5 again. Once again, I said I think I'm seeing a pattern. So 5 tall, hit tab, 8, so 5 by 8. This one I don't need to do anything fancy to get rid of stuff yet. I will eventually, but not yet. So I'm going to do that. It is 4 deep, so I'm going to extrude back -4. So -4 back, staying with the pattern from the other ones. And I got to do some stuff now. Okay, so I can attack this a couple ways. There's an area I can cut out from here or here. There's an area I can cut out from here, and then I'll make the hole last. So I'm going to go with the biggest one next. And I think I'm going to do it from the side just because I feel like it. So I got a sketch and I clicked on the side. And I'm going to make a box here. And this box, if I'm counting, is 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3. So it is a square, a 3 by 3 square that is in the top corner. So I got a 3 by 3 square there. Going to hit finish sketch. And I'm going to extrude this square in. So it's a cut, not out, going in. Oh dear. One nice thing is I can always go back a step with Control Z. There we go. I clicked it. All right. So just this one face, not both of them. And I'm going back 7. So we're going back -7. See how it gets a cut. It's giving us a preview of the cut. This looks good. All right. Now that I've gone back 7, I got to make another cut right here. And same kind of procedure. This time it's going to be a 2 by 2 square in the corner. It's 2 by 2. Leave it up for a second so you can see. So we got a 2 by 2. Hit finish sketch. And I'm just going to cut back 1. So you're cutting back -1. And there we go. And the last thing I can do is I've got to make a hole right here. I'm going to spin the top. So let me get rid of that picture quick. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. All right, so for this, I got to place the hole, and I got 2 ways to go about it. I can do a circle, and I can hit finish sketch right, and I can extrude cut the circle. So I can do it like this, and that's nice and simple, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I do not want to do it that way. You are more than welcome to. I would prefer to do it with the point tool, because that is the proper way to drill holes. So I'm going to go to point. I'm going to put a point in there, and then I have to dimension it accordingly. So this hole is tricky because it's kind of in the middle of 2 different things. So it looks like it goes in 2.5 and then up 1.5. So from here to here, it appears to be 1.5. And from here to here, it appears to be 2.5. Okay. And then the hole's diameter, it's slightly bigger than a box. But not quite too. I'm going to say we're going to go with this is about 1.25 inches. It's not like a set size. There's a little bit of wiggle room in here. So I'm going to say 1.25 inches. If you'd gone 1.5 inches, I'd probably accept it, but I don't think it's quite there. So we're going to say 1.25 inches. So we're going to finish sketch. And we're going to go to the hole tool. And I'm going to click on this. And it gives me lots of options. And this is just to kind of show you they're simple counterbores, countersinks. This is just a simple hole. It is a through hole, so it's going through all the way. And like I said, we're going to say it is 1.25 inch and a quarter. And I think that looks good. I'm going to say okay. And it will drill that hole an inch and a quarter. And I'd say that looks pretty spot on to what the drawing had. So I'm pretty pleased with this. I'm going to slap a color on it. Appearance, red. Okie dokie. That is number 3.